Okay, you guys, this is it. I had to do the finishing touches around the windows, put the borders down and stuff like that. Had the doors looking all nice. There we go. Check it out. Oh yeah. Got the rear camera. Boom. This one right here records. This one is just so I can see what's going on behind. Seat belts. Look at that. That's the inside. Got the music up here. A dome light for at nighttime. Put your head back here on the hardwood. The hardwood floor. Oh yeah, check it out. Two people. And that's it. Get at me. Schedule a ride. 323-718-2470. Deuces.